we asked ourselves in the last part, where does it say in this text that a child of a Jewish mother and a non-Jewish father is considered Jewish according to the halakha? Because it's not clear from the text. Now, before we go more into the text to find an answer to this question, there are 2 points of attention we have to discuss. The one thing is how the Art Scroll series and others translate bincha as your child, ki yasir et bincha, for he will cause your child to turn away from after me, and not your son. And it will be clear later why this is such an important point of attention. Here again the text, ki yasir et bincha, for he will cause your child, your son and or daughter, to turn away from after me, and they will worship the gods of others. Now, bincha b'nechem is often translated as your child or your children in the Torah, in the translation of the Torah. And we can find a few examples here in the Shema, V'shinantam levanecha, which is translated, teach them thoroughly to your children. And this is another part of the Shema, V'limadetem otam et bnechem, teach them to your children. And there are many more examples. Now the second point of attention, and it will all be clear later on why these are important points, is who in the Torah, who is referred to by them, his, and he in the text. You shall not intermarry with them, with the non-Jew. You shall not give your daughter to this non-Jew's son. You shall not take his daughter for your son, for he will cause your child to turn away from after me, and they will worship the gods of others. Let's just change the text a little bit to make it clearer. You shall not intermarry with them. You shall not give your daughter to Peter's son, and you shall not take Peter's daughter for your son, for Peter will cause your child, your son and daughter, to turn away from after me. Now it is clear that the his and he in the pasuk is the non-Jewish father-in-law, and we should all agree on that. And this is the second point of attention, which will be referred to later. And again, the question is, where does it say in this text that the mother Jew, who has a Jewish mother and a non-Jewish father, is considered Jewish according to the halakha? It is not clear, and this is the first source where it's not clear. Now we're going to go to the second source, and if there are any comments or questions, please send them to motherjews1@gmail.com.